progression, moving higher on the slope. But in my eager climb, I miss the wonders, I lose hope. Oh, the mountain's beauty, hidden in my haste. In the race for the summit, life's joys I didn't taste. Now at the peak I stand alone, feeling so misplaced, wishing I'd savored each step, every single trace. When I finally reach the mountain's peak, a sense of completion makes my spirit weak. But as I gaze down the path from which I came,